Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Do Literate Women Make Better Mothers? First 14 to 18 questions are to complete the summary. And the words are to be chosen from given box, therefore they can be synonyms in the paragraph. Here in the question it is mentioned that you may use any letter more than once. आप दिए हुए वर्ड्स को एक से ज़्यादा बार भी यूज कर सकते हैं. The Nicaraguan National Literacy Crusade aimed to teach large numbers of illiterate to read and write. Nicaraguan National Literacy Crusade का एम था बड़े पैमाने पर पढ़ना और लिखना सिखाना. किसको सीखना था? That will be the answer. In 1979, the government of Nicaragua established a number of social programs, including a national literacy crusade. By 1985, about 300,000 illiterate adults from all over the country, so its answer is adults, and adults का synonym होगा men and women. Next, public health experts have known for many years that there is a connection between child health and child health और किसी चीज़ का आपस में connection है. Children in developing countries are healthier and more likely to survive past the age of 5 when their mothers can read and write. तो इसका आंसर होगा maternal literacy. Next question, however, it has not previously been known whether these two factors were directly linked or not. This question has been investigated by in Nicaraguan. इस question को किसने investigate किया? During this period, researchers from the Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine, the Central American Institute of Health in Nicaraguan, the National Autonomous University of Nicaragua and the Costa Rican Institute of Health. तो इन सब ने मिलकर इन्वेस्टिगेट किया, तो इसका आंसर होगा an international research team. Next is, as a result, factors such as and attitudes to children have been eliminated. Attitude to children and एक और factor को इसमें से हटा दिया गया था. Most literate women learn to read in primary school, and the fact that a woman has had an education may simply indicate her family's wealth or that it values its children more highly. Now a long-term study carried out in Nicaraguan has eliminated these factors. Value its children, question में दिया गया है, तो आपका आंसर होगा family's wealth. Next question is, and it has been shown that can in itself improve infant health and survival. बच्चों की हेल्थ और उनके सर्वाइवल को कौन सी चीज़ इम्प्रूव कर सकती है? Teaching reading to poor adult women, who would otherwise have remained illiterate, has a direct effect on their children's health and survival. तो इसका आंसर होगा maternal literacy. Next 19 to 24 questions are yes, no and not given. First is not given. Next to that is, before the National Literacy Crusade, illiterate women had approximately the same levels of infant mortality as those who had learned to read in primary school. National Literacy Crusade से पहले अनपढ़ मदर्स और जो प्राइमरी स्कूल में पढ़े थे, उन दोनों के बच्चों की मृत्यु दर सेम थी. In the late 1970s, the infant mortality rate for the children of illiterate mothers was around 110 deaths per thousand. For women educated in primary school, however, the infant mortality rate was significantly lower, at 80 per thousand. तो दोनों का नंबर सेम नहीं है, इसलिए इसका आंसर होगा no. Next question is, before and after the National Literacy Crusade, the child mortality rate for the illiterate women stayed at about 110 deaths for each 1,000 live births. National Literacy Crusade से पहले और बाद में illiterate women के बच्चों की मृत्यु दर लगभग 110 के करीब थी. The investigators' findings were striking in the late 1970s. The infant mortality rate for the children of illiterate mothers was around 110 deaths per 1,000 live births. At this point in their lives, those mothers who later went on to learn to read had a similar level of child mortality 105 per 1,000. तो इसका आंसर yes होगा. Next question is, the women who had learned to read through the National Literacy Crusade showed the greatest change in infant mortality levels. For those women who learned to read through the campaign, the infant mortality rate was 84 per 1,000, an impressive 21 points lower than for those women who were still illiterate. तो ये दोनों statements same है, इसलिए इसका आंसर होगा yes. The women who had learned to read through the National Literacy Crusade had the lowest rates of child mortality. For those women who learned to read through the campaign, the infant mortality rate was 84 per 1,000, an impressive 21 points lower, मोर्टालिटी रेट कम तो हुई थी पर लोएस्ट थी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं बताया, इसलिए इसका आंसर नो होगा। नेक्स्ट इज नॉट गिवन। नेक्स्ट 25 and 26 questions are multiple options. Which two important implications drawn from the Nicaraguan study are mentioned by the writer of the passage? Nicaraguan study के दो important मकसद क्या थे? First answer है C. The effects of maternal literacy programs can be seen very quickly. But we thought that even if we started educating girls today, we'd have to wait a generation for the payoff. The Nicaraguan study suggests we may be able to bypass that. Next answer is A. Money spent on female education will improve child health. Sandeep Ford says that there is increasing evidence that female education, at any age, is an important health intervention in its own right. The result of the study lends support to the World Bank's recommendation that education budgets in developing countries should be increased, not just to help their economies, but also to improve child health. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.